entire world has been shaken up by this coronavirus, which has been originated from China. Today, our state of Goa, after the lockdown till today, I think a lot of people have suffered, and we have seen that long queues were there in supermarkets. Initially, there was a lot of hue and cry, but today the working of our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and his entire team, our Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, and the entire team, the health workers, the doctors, we have seen the 7 patients have recovered, were positive. And after recovery, they came in our constituency. That is, one hotel has been, as a 25-room hotel has been turned into quarantine for the patients who recover and come. So all the 7 patients came and they have recovered and they finished their quarantine period, tested negative and gone home. I think a good job has been carried out, and people of Goa have to appreciate this. We are always at the receiving end. The meaning is that we are always being shown in red, that this is not done, that is not done. I think people should also take self responsibility. Do not always criticize us. I think some of the jobs we have done are pretty good, very hard. We have seen him working till 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock on this during this period of lockdown. Prime Minister has done a good job. Look at other countries, advanced countries like America, the number of people who have died. Advanced countries like Italy and Spain, the number of deaths have gone up so many in thousands. But we in India are still safe, and I feel that we all should shoulder the responsibility and work hand in hand and see that this virus not only leaves Goa. Right now we are COVID free, no positive cases reported from the time last patient has recovered. Not only leaves Goa, it has to leave India, it has to leave the world. And I feel that prayers are very important for this.